How to delete group chat on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Log into your account, then click on the message section at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on the group chat you want to delete. There is no one way to directly delete, so click on the name at the top of the group chat, which is the group name. Then in here you will find people below invite link and chat controls. Click on people. You'll find all the members. Click on three dots beside their name. Then at the bottom, click on remove user. Also make sure you're the admin of the group. Do this, remove everyone, and then press on leave at the top. Press on leave again and leave the group chat, which will destroy all the group chat. Another way what you can do is go back to the DMs, hold on to the group chat text, and then click on delete, which will only delete the chat. And this is how to delete group chat on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.